How to fix login error in AMC Plus. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, however you prefer, and connect to your internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet. However, if there's any login issues, you want to simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the AMC Plus application. Here's our application. Simply tap and hold on it and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache and simply clear cache by clicking on Clear Cache option at the bottom of your screen. If you want to delete the application's file, you can simply click on Clear Storage, and the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.